Hello again. So this is part 2 of me running my OS FS-26 Surpass engine. The first video, which was very long, was me running it for a subscriber who wanted me to run specifically 0% nitro fuel, which I did. So this time I'm going to run my standard 10% fuel in it and try to isolate the issue that I was having with the engine running to see if it's actually fuel or if it's just something that I need to clean my carb or what. So I've still got the same APC 9.6 prop, the Hanger 9 Super or 4-stroke plug, and now Morgan's 10% Omega, which is my standard fuel that I run. I have not touched the needle valves or anything since the last run. So the engine is cooled slightly. I mean, it's not burning hot, it's still slightly warm, but let's give it a run and see how it does with my fuel. Too close there. God damn it. Okay, so I think I got this thing dialed in pretty good now. You could see that it was idling a little bit better there in those last couple minutes. And I like to hear that little blip, 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 kind of popping, bubbling sound on these 4-stroke engines to tell me when the idle sounds about right, because it should be kind of bubbly like that. It didn't seem like it wanted to just die anymore. It seemed like it wanted to hold that idle pretty well. Top ends on both fuels looked about the same. I mean, you could get nearly 11,000 RPM with this prop. Personally, I don't know if it's just because I've got this thing tweaked in a little bit better for the weather conditions now, but it just seemed to me like it liked the 10% fuel better than the 0%, but who knows, maybe I'll try running it again with the 0%. I'll have to put another engine on here to burn this fuel off. But there's the comparison run. Personally, I think it runs better with the 10% than the 0%, but you know, it is what it is.